Hi, my name is Kevin McCowan, and I'm with the American Academy of Spine Physicians. My purpose today is to give you an overview of the directory level membership with the Academy. Recently, there's been a collaboration between the American Academy of Spine Physicians and F4CP members. And with that, all FC4P members now have a membership, a directory level membership with the Academy. My purpose today is to show you an overview of some of the benefits that you have, as well as a special offer where you can upgrade to full membership. With that said, you want to go to www.spinephysicians.org. You should have received a user ID and a PIN number that you can log in with. Once you log in, you're going to come to what we call the member dashboard. And in that member dashboard, there are a number of benefits that you can actually take a look at. So basically, what I want to do is if there's a button in here called F4CP members, you want to click on that button. Of course, we put an introduction in here, just introducing you to the Academy and to the dashboard as an overview. The next button here is our benefit is the directory profile. Very, very, very important button here because there is we have a directory called the International Directory of Spine Care Professionals, which is the official directory of the Academy. You would want to make sure that all your profile fields are filled out, just in case a patient was searching for a physician in their area. You want to make sure that your degree is filled out and all the pertinent fields to the profile. Once you fill out the profile pages here, fields, you can click on View Directory Profile. And the profile will come up, and you can actually see is the information accurate. Right now, I've pulled up Dr. David Durant. He is one of our council members. He's actually one of our council members, and he has actually already filled out his profile. There's an About My Practice. There's a mini bio there. A number of fields that you can highlight, which will be very critical for patients, our potential patients that may be searching for a physician in your area. So we highly recommend, we suggest that you make sure that all your information is accurate on the directory profile. Now, if you want to view the directory, you can come to the Academy site and you can click on International Directory of Spine Care Professionals, where there is a hierarchical directory. Many of our members have fellows with the American Academy of Spine Physicians, or a diplomate with the American Academy of Spine Physicians, or a fellow with the American College of Spine Physicians. So, with that said, you're welcome to browse the directory you can browse the directory by state, you can browse it by zip, you can browse it by credential status. And again, we're just going to search on Dr. Durant here. We'll just put in his last name and hit search. There he is. He's an ASP member, he's a diplomat, and a fellow with the Academy. So we're going to just click on his name, and again, it brings us back to the profile of the directory. Back to the dashboard. The next button that we want to highlight is the facility profile. So if you have a facility, multiple doctors within that facility, you may want to fill out the facility profile, and that your facility will then be placed on the International Directory of Spine Care Facilities. Next, we have our spine care information strip forms. A very nice strip pad form, very informative. Actually has a link to the International Spine Association, where there's over 600 plus pages of information on the back and spine that can actually educate your patients. So we have a PDF version, a Word document version that can be downloaded and printed off. And through the dashboard, you can actually click on, we have here spine disorders, we have treatment options, we have spine care professional script pad. We also have the spine care products script pad. So I'm just going to click on the disorder script pad. It's going to actually take me over to the information. Here it is right here. So basically just a quick overview of how it works. We have the spine disorders, the top spine disorders. We're going to click on disc extrusion, and basically it's going to give a thorough and an in-depth study or information about disc extrusion. So we encourage you to take a look at the spine information script pad, which is now available for your use as a member of the directory. Next, we have some very informative brochures. We have over 30 plus professional brochures as a directory member, there's a limited number. You don't get full access to the full library until you upgrade your membership to a full member. But there is a subset of these brochures that are available for the directory level member. So let me just click back on it here, and I'm going to go to brochures. Then I'll bring up the brochures. I'll just open one so you can see it. Now, the nice thing about these brochures is, number one, they can be printed on your local printer, that you can print off a very nice professional brochure and be ready to disseminate to your patients. Or you can take those to a professional print shop in your area, have them professionally printed. There's no limit to how many you can print. You have a right to reprint these, given by the Academy as a directory member, and they can be disseminated to your office in your office for your patients. I'm just going to open one here, 30 Tips to Spine Care. It actually opens a PDF document. Once that PDF document opens, you're able to view the brochure. Again, on the directory level member, you only have a subset of these. If you upgrade, you get the access to the full library of the brochures with the Academy. And my computer, okay, there it is. It just came up. 30 tips for better, 30 tips for better spine care. Back to the dashboard. Okay, we're going to move over to network service instructions. Now, with the membership, directory level membership, as well as the full level membership, we have a networking feature. And I'm just going to close the pop-up down here. A networking feature, a spine care provider invitation tool. So basically, if you are a member of the Academy, you can search for doctors in your area, doctors that you may want to collaborate with, doctors that you may want to refer patients back and forth to, refer patients to, sort of to begin a relationship. You can search this by name, zip, profession. The Academy has over 30 plus professions that are all related to spine care. Once you find a doctor that you're interested in, you can actually click the invite to network. An email is sent to that doctor. He reads the email. If he accepts, he now appears into your profile here. And again, any of these doctors you can actually click on their profile and it actually go over to the directory where you can actually see a little bit more about that physician. Next, we have, let's see what's next here. We have the Inform a Colleague service. Very nice service here. You can actually inform your colleagues or your peers just by sending them an email. There's an introductory statement here. You're welcome to alter that if you would like. And you're able to attach many links of the Academy website as well as different brochures that you have access to. So you can fire off an email. They will receive in their inbox. Some of the literature from the Academy. Next, we have the special offer. Again, for all members of the F4CP, we have you are a directory member. You do have a benefit, but there's only a subset of the benefits. So basically, if you would like to see all the benefits of the Academy, you can actually, and there'll be a second video that we will have posted as well for an overview of the full benefits with the Academy. The special offer is 50% discount for 1 year membership with the Academy. So the regular membership is $295 for physicians. Non-physicians, I think, is $150. Affiliates is $35. So we're taking a 50% off membership for all members of the F4C, direct elected members. So $295 $150 the first year, $295 in the subsequent year, but you get a number of benefits that will help you market your practice, help you grow your practice, and help you educate your patients. So with that said, it will be a very simple process we've made to upgrade. You just click on the upgrade button there. It has the credentials here. First of all, you must update your credit card information. Once you update your credit card information, you are now ready to click back on upgrade membership. At that point, you put in your CCV code, you hit build membership. The dashboard will then reload itself and it will come back up saying full active member of the Academy. At that point, you have 1 year to fully utilize all the benefits of the Academy. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please email us at aasp@spinephysicians.org. And our customer service will get back with you with any questions that you may have. Thank you again for watching this video. Please take advantage of the special offer, as we believe there's a number of benefits that will help you maximize It will help you maximize the effectiveness in your practice.